So guys, I'm going to be teaching you how you can customize your wig head to the shape of your head. Okay, so first of all, you want to measure from the front. You'll be seeing you can see the measurement on your screen from the front of your head to the nape of your neck. Then you're also going to measure the circumference of your head. And the way I placed it, this is one of the foam wraps. So I placed the first one like this, then the other one the other way. I don't know if you understand, so sorry for the noise in the background. So I'm just going to cut this whole stuff to get rid of excess. So guys, I don't know how long this light will last, so in case the light goes off, the most important thing is for you to learn how I achieve this. Okay, so just keep following up. Sorry, this is Naija, we don't have constant lights. I'm just gonna place this pin. Oh, now I have it a bit laid down. I'm just going to take the circumference, and if it's not giving me the right size I want, I would just add up some. Okay, this is 24 points, which is exactly what I want as well. So I'm just going to tape everything together. But before then, I'm just gonna give it a clean cutting. Cut off all the excess so it can look clean. So I'm going to run my first tape just round about it like so. So guys, please do remember to remove the pins. I'm having a tough time pulling it out. Okay, I just need it to be like a cap, you know. So next thing is to cut open this area. I'm just going to cut it open because what I really want to be doing with this is not something, this can be very adjustable, this particular cap, so you can make it smaller depending on the size of whosoever you're working with, or you can make it bigger. So once you place it on the head of your mannequin like so, okay, so if you need it to be just that same size, you do it, you know, you put it together like so, and then you use tape to hold it. Okay, so I'm going to finish up this stuff and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, I'm done taping this. This is not actually for professional use, okay, but if you're still a starter in making wigs and all that stuff, or maybe you just want to make a quick wig for yourself and you have this kind of mannequin, you don't want to spend extra cash, you can go ahead and do this. Okay, so this would serve you. Okay, and the reason why I prefer this method is because this cap is adjustable and it's pinnable, like pins can easily slide into it. Just so I'm showing you guys, all you have to do is to use a tape and hold it right there. Okay, and now you have this particular one right here. So if you need to do more, like you want it to be bigger or smaller, whatever you want, you can just adjust the shape of it.